Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? Today I wanted to start a video off like this. I'm basically just showing you guys my lace right now of this wig, this bomb wig that I'm wearing from RPGHair.com. Okay, this is the video that I showed you guys how I installed it. This is actually, I feel like, one of my best turnouts with applying one of these lace wigs. This is a new and improved pre-plucked 360 frontal wig from RPGHair. All right, and this is of course a Brazilian virgin hair wig. All right, so now I just have it kind of pulled away from my face because I didn't have my makeup on or anything, and I ended up just rocking it like this for a while. But I was just getting prepared, getting myself ready to go and walk in my very first Jamaica band launch show. So I pretty much just tied down back the edges and got it out my face, but I had to show you guys the lace because it looks so much like scalp. And I would say if you're looking for a lace wig with really realistic, lace looking like lace that looks like scalp, I definitely recommend this one. And I had to refresh myself with some brisk iced tea before I jumped into the makeup. Like, yeah. So guys, I'll link that wig down below and all the information will be listed. All right. Yes. So I proceeded to just starting off my makeup. I applied my primer first. I used the Cover FX primer, which you guys know I really have to just prime my smile lines because they have a way of just seeping through the makeup after hours. But I find that when I prime it, the makeup they don't seep through as easily. And then I move on to just highlighting, the usual with my Sister Cosmetics highlighter. This is in golden beige, and I like a nice pop on all my highlighted areas, but under my eyes are a must. Yes. So yeah, pretty much as I said, I was excited because this is my first band launch, Jamaica band launch show where I'm walking in. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Jamaica is just a band here in Jamaica. It's basically carnival related. So it was just a show for them to showcase the costumes for Carnival 2019 here in Jamaica for their band. And yes, Jamaica is the band that I will be jumping with for 2019. I jumped with them in 2018, and I will be jumping with them in 2019. So guys, if you did not see the vlog on that, go ahead and check it out. The link is the first one in the description box. Yeah, I wasn't talking much on the makeup just now, but I set the highlighted areas with some banana powder. And then I'm setting the rest of my face with my PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting powder in the shade Chocolate. I know it looks crazy. I'm just using this powder puff to just pat it on. And then I use my brush, my powder brush, to further push it in. And trust me, after a while of this sitting on my face, it just seeps right in and everything looks way more melted. So don't worry. Probably you guys might be like, oh, that's a lot of powders, but trust me, it all came together in the end. I contoured some with my Black Radiance contour kit, and just to chisel the cheekbones a bit. And then I went on to do some baking with some more banana powder, and then I pretty much just move on to drinking more brisk iced tea. I'm in love with these. They're like 0 calories, guys, and they taste good. So yeah, I moved on to the eyes, and I just went into my Modern Renaissance palette, which is an OG from ABH, and I just used Venetian Red, I believe, for the transition shade today. I didn't do much because when I reached at the venue of the show, they actually added some a little bit more to my eyes, so I didn't want to do too much. So I just did that, but I knew that this color would give a nice contrast to the costume I was modeling, so I know it wouldn't be any big deal. So I moved on to doing a wing, and I just felt like the wing just gave this look a pop, especially since a lot wasn't going on with eyeshadow. And then I used Lash Glam by Annabelisa today. These are the lashes I'm using, and I'm in love. It's the first time I'm trying this style. and I'm in love with them. I am in love. As you guys can see, I haven't done a new set on my fusion lashes just yet, but I will be going back soon to Lashed by LC. I can't wait. Can't wait. So I'm smoking the lower waterline with some brown shadow. Nothing too intense. And then I proceeded to just dusting away all the powder I used to bake. And then I further set my face with my PETITE-SUE Sister Cosmetics setting spray, and I dab that in as usual. And this technique just helps everything to look more skin-like. I then went into my Sam Marcel Luxury Illuminating Highlighter Kit, and I used Très Chic to glow today. Really loved it. This beat wasn't too much. All I did was added some clear gloss for the lips. I didn't feel like doing any color. I just wanted nice, glossy, juicy looking lips. So that's what I did, and that was pretty much it for the makeup. Yeah. Then I proceeded to just taking off the scarf, and I kind of just unraveled the little ponytail there for you guys to just show you what I was working with. But then I proceeded to putting it back up because I didn't really want the little waves that I had to drop, and I just didn't want the hair down on me at this point. So I just did the buns for now, and once I reached at the show, I unraveled the hair, and I think either way the hair looked really good. And I'm just obsessed with the hairline and the lace in general. I feel like from now on I want this new and improved lace with all my RPG hair wigs. Look at that. It's amazing. It's definitely a go. This is definitely it for Christmas and the new year. Let me know what you guys think about it, and don't forget to use my discount codes whenever you shop on RPGHair. Sue15 or Petite10 to get dollars off. Go to my direct page link. It's the first one in the description box. Support your girl. I really do appreciate it, guys. So yeah, that's it for today, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.